Welcome to Fluenzo English. I'm really glad you're here today.
If English feels confusing sometimes, relax. You don't need to remember everything. You don't need to repeat after us. Just listen and let the conversations feel familiar.
Today, you'll hear many small, everyday conversations. Simple moments people have every day. Just listen like you're nearby. Hi.
Oh, hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you new here?
Yeah, I moved in yesterday.
Nice. Welcome to the building. I'm Peter.
I'm Gwen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm good, just a little tired.
Long day?
Very long.
Waiting for the bus?
Yes, it's late again.
It's always late. Is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead.
Thanks. Cold today.
Yeah, I didn't bring a jacket.
You'll need one tonight. Do you work nearby?
At the coffee shop on the corner.
Oh, I know that place. Can I get a coffee?
Sure. Small or large?
Small, please.
With milk?
Yes, a little milk.
Anything else?
That's all.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Busy morning?
Very busy.
Mondays are always like that. What time do you finish work?
Around 6.
That's late. Are you hungry?
A little.
There's a bakery across the street. This line is long.
Yeah, everyone is here today.
We might wait a while. Excuse me,
Yes?
is this the line for tickets?
Yes, it is.
Do you live far from here?
Not really. 10 minutes walking.
That's nice. Did you sleep well?
Not really. New place.
It takes time. Nice weather today.
Finally, no rain.
I missed the sun. What are you doing this weekend?
Probably resting.
Same here. Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay, I just arrived.
Traffic was terrible. Can you help me?
Sure, what's wrong?
I can't find this address. Oh, that street is behind the park.
Really?
Yeah, just go straight. Did you eat lunch?
Not yet.
You should. It's already 2. What do you usually order here?
The chicken sandwich.
Is it good?
Very good.
I'll try it then.
You won't regret it.
Are you free tonight?
I think so. Why?
Maybe a walk? I forgot my wallet.
Oh no.
I'll come back later. Phone battery dead?
Yeah, completely.
You can use my charger. Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
I appreciate it. This park is nice.
I come here often.
It's peaceful. Do you like coffee or tea?
Tea in the evening.
Same for me. That dog is cute.
Very friendly too.
What's his name?
Max.
Are you learning English?
Yes, slowly.
You're doing well. I need groceries.
The store closes at 9.
Good to know. Do you cook?
Sometimes, simple meals.
Me too. Smells good.
I made soup.
Perfect for tonight. Are you tired?
A little.
Long day again?
Yeah.
Want some water?
Yes, please.
Here. I'll call you later.
Okay, talk soon.
Bye for now. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
See ya. I hope these small conversations felt easy to follow. You don't have to remember them all. Just hearing them again and again helps more than you think.
If one conversation sounded familiar, tell me in the comments which one felt most real to you.
Stay with Fluenzo English. More calm, natural English is coming. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.